How's it going, everyone? Martin Folan here. Just gonna make a quick video on some everyday objects we can associate with linkages. So right here we have a vice grip, sliding bevel, and a pop rivet gun. I'll run through them all, but first off, here's the vice grip. So we have our handle, our linkage, and our grip, and two jaws up here, and our screw to dial up or down. So just examining this, we can see that the linkage is connected to both the handle and the grip. See here, this rivet kind of goes through both sides, and that's what keeps the linkage secure, and it's also secure inside the handle as well. So just tracking the movement of this linkage, so if we just look straight down at it now, like that, we can say that that angle in between the linkage and the handle is around 30-35 degrees. But now if I try and keep this handle straight, watch the change in motion per angle of that linkage. So here we have a smaller angle, around 5 degrees or something low like that, and that's pretty much how our vice grip works. As we push in this grip, the linkage moves the jaw towards the other jaw, and we could have our object in between here, and we can adjust the heights or the distance between both jaws with this screw. Next up is sliding bevel. We use this for marking out different angles. This tool just highlights how objects can get restricted. So here we have our slot, and this handle can only move between the distance of this slot. Our pop rivet gun, very useful tool. Kind of resembles a scissor lift as well. So here's our handle, and this is where we place our rivets. And once we open up our handle, hold on, so open it up there. Once we have that, all those linkages open, we can put our pop rivet in here, our rivet, sorry. And once we put it into our hole, we press down on this handle. All the pressure boils down through these linkages, and that's what pops our rivet into place. Just like a scissor lift. So if we just imagine that this is our base, and we are standing here on the handle, we can get from a various height. We can start off low. This could bring us up to probably the 6th or 7th floor of a building. So very, very useful tool, and it really highlights linkages in everyday life. It's a very smooth operating tool. It's very fluid in its motion. No effort in pulling it up or down. Next up is our window. Everyone has seen these linkages before. So just quickly open the window, and we can see that there's 2 linkages in play here, 3. So 1, 2, and 3, and they're all connected. And it just opens and closes the window like so. Next up is a drawer I found in my house where we keep some cards and stuff. So it's hard to see, but this slides up and down like so. Sort of like a linkage. It's on a hinge, and here we have a gap which slides this back and forth. I also stumbled across a pump which sort of incorporates a linkage. So I use this when I pump up my footballs at home. So you can stand on this, and this presses down on the cylinders, and we have a gauge here which tells us the amount of air we're pushing out. But interesting enough, so we have our base, the part we step on, and these cylinders are sliding up and down on a linkage, like so. And that's just another example.